Nueva Ecija may be a landlocked province, but its beauty and charm are never ending.
The only way we can promote our province is if we know who we are and if we know what's our strength as a tourism destination. Nueva Ecija is an important tourism destination in terms of culture and heritage. So we do believe that by preserving these cultural assets that are important for us, we are also ensuring that we can make a better future for the next generation of Nueva Ecijanos and of Filipinos.
Being the rice granary of the country, Nueva Ecija abounds with farmers' trusted partners, the Carabaos.
Dahil nga po ang Nueva Ecija ay na-consider na a rice granary of the Philippines, ang mga magsasaka po natin ay gumagamit po ng kalabaw para mag-araro. Pero po ito po ay masasabi natin na seasonal sa pagtatanim po ng palay. So, ang Philippine Carabao Center po, nag-introduce po kung paano po ba kikita ang farmers natin ng araw-araw. Nasabi nga po ng Philippine Carabao Center na kapag ka ikaw ay nasa dairy, ang kita mo ay daily.
You can also munch on homemade pastillas made with Carabao's milk.
Yung pangunahin po namin ingredients sa pagluluto ng pastillas, yun po yung Carabao's milk. Ibang-iba po yung lasa compare po sa mga gatas na naka-commercialize po. Fresh po talaga siya, kaya pag naluto po siya, masarap po yung lasa niya, creamy po siya.
Nueva Ecija is not just an agricultural hub. Its people take pride in their culture through their hand-painted Barong Tagalog and Maria Clara.
Yung pag-create namin ng hand paint, ang application nun ay walang kopyahan, walang pattern, walang ginagayahan. Talagang nililikha namin yan mano-mano. Yung mga infrastructure project ay sana ituloy-tuloy pa din dahil mas lalong maraming matutulungan lalo na sa mga SME na talagang yan ang aming pangunahing pangangailangan sa lansangan, yung maginhawang daan.
With its rich history, culture and food, the province of Nueva Ecija truly is a fulfilling travel destination.